1. Tom was a young student who lived in a big city with his parents and little sister. He liked the city, but sometimes he felt tired of the noise and busy streets. 3. One day his teacher announced that the class would go on a school trip to a nature park. 4. Tom became very excited because he loved animals and wanted to learn more about them. 5. He packed a small backpack with a bottle of water, a sandwich, a notebook, and his camera. 6. Early on Saturday morning, the students met in front of the school. 7. Their teacher checked the list of names and made sure everyone was present. 8. Then they got on the bus and began their 1-hour trip to the nature park. 9. Tom sat next to his best friend Oliver and they talked about the animals they hoped to see. 10. When they arrived, a park guide welcomed them and explained the rules. 11. The students learned that they should not touch the animals or feed them. 12. The guide first took them to a large area where deer were walking peacefully. 13. Tom took several photos and wrote notes about their long legs and beautiful brown fur. 14. Next, they visited a place with colorful birds sitting on tree branches. 15. Tom loved the bright blue bird the most because it sang a sweet, happy song. 16. After a short break, the guide led them to a small lake inside the park. 17. The water was clear and the students could see fish swimming near the surface. 18. Tom and Oliver sat on a rock and ate their sandwiches while watching the fish. 19. The weather was warm and a light wind made the trees move softly. 20. After lunch, the teacher announced a small group activity. 21. Each group had to find 3 kinds of plants and write a short description of them. 22. Tom's group walked along a path and found a tall tree, a small yellow flower, and a plant with big leaves. 23. Tom drew pictures of the plants in his notebook. 24. The students returned to the main area and shared what they had discovered. 25. The guide was pleased and said they had done a great job exploring nature. 26. Before leaving, Tom bought a small keychain with a deer on it from the park shop. 27. On the bus ride home, he looked out of the window and thought about the peaceful day he had enjoyed. He told Oliver that he wanted to visit the nature park again with his family. 29. When Tom arrived home, he showed his parents all the photos he had taken. 30. They were proud of him and happy that he had learned so much during the trip. 31. That night, Tom wrote in his diary about the animals, the plants, and the calm feeling he had in nature. 32. He fell asleep with a smile, already thinking about his next adventure.